Hello, and welcome to our video series to help you get introduced and set up with using the Extension Helper app. In this video, we will go over how to access and download the Extension Helper app from our Box repository. First, you will need to go to the Extension Helper app file repository hosted on Box. Open Chrome or your preferred web browser and go to https://bit.ly/EHA help. Click on the Downloading the Extension Helper app folder. Here you will find the most up-to-date APK file, which is the app package files that will allow you to download the app to your device. There will also be an older APK file available that you may want to download in case you are experiencing bugs in the latest version. If this is the case, please alert the AgReach team via email so we are aware of any fixes that need to be made. To download the app, click on the latest APK file. Then click Download. A warning may pop up because the APK file is from an unknown developer. This is because the Extension Helper app is still in a development stage. Click OK to proceed with the download. Once the file has downloaded, you'll need to navigate to your Downloads folder or click Open if it appears at the bottom of your screen. Once you have found the file, click on it. Another warning may appear. Click Continue to proceed to install the app. Another notification will pop up asking if you'd like to install the app. Click Install. Once the app has completely installed, click Open. You are now ready to create an account and begin using the Extension Helper app. You can find more videos like this on the AgReach YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.